Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on apply accessibility, and we want to give links meaning by using descriptive link text. When we're writing our website, writing code, making our page accessible, we have to think about screen readers and how to accommodate them. And when screen readers look at their device to read the content, they have options such as skipping over landmark elements, jumping to the main content, getting a page summary from the headings. And another option is hearing the links available on the page. And sometimes we see on a web pages they have a link that says, click here, read more. And these aren't really useful for screen readers. Instead, we should write some more brief descriptive text within the A tags because the screen reader will identify the A tags and read those links. So for this exercise, we want to change the click me here in the A tag to a more descriptive text, such as information about the batteries. So we want to move this anchor. We want to cut here, cut here, paste here, and then cut the closing tag where it ends at batteries. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.